In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use computer controls in ChatGPT Codex to let AI interact with your coding environment while you monitor its progress. Start by signing in to your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. Create a new coding task or open one that's already in progress. If computer controls are available for your task, enable the feature before you begin. This allows Codex to interact with its assigned development environment to complete your request. Next, describe what you want Codex to do. For example, you could ask create a simple Python program that calculates the average of 5 numbers and explain each step with comments. Or you could request build a basic HTML webpage with a navigation bar, a welcome section, and a contact form. After submitting the task, Codex may begin interacting with the coding environment. Depending on the task, you may see it open project files, navigate folders, edit source code, run terminal commands, or execute tests automatically. As Codex works, monitor the progress and review the actions being performed. If you need to change the task or provide additional instructions, you can pause the process and continue the conversation with more specific requests. Once the task is complete, review the generated code, explanations, and any outputs or test results. Make sure everything matches what you requested before accepting the changes. If improvements are needed, simply ask Codex to modify the code, fix an issue, or add another feature. You can continue refining the task until you're satisfied with the final result. Keep in mind that computer controls are designed to assist with development tasks while keeping you in control of reviewing and approving the final output before it's integrated into your project. And that's how to use computer controls in ChatGPT Codex. Enable the feature when available. Describe your coding task, monitor the automated actions, review the results, and approve the final changes once everything looks correct.